So on my way to ZRIBA, let's see and find out what we can explore. I don't know, but we'll see. I'm very excited about this journey, and yeah, it's the first time me being here, and I already love it. See, it's beautiful out here. This is the painting of ZRIBA OLYA. I don't know what kind of building this is, but I guess it's some kind of like a cafe or restaurant. It could be anything. It looks pretty cool. Here we are in ZRIBA OLYA. Okay, so we continue to walk and explore more. All right, there is some decoration here, I guess. I believe they say, oh, kittens, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, kittens. Hi, kitty cat. Don't be afraid. I just wanna say hi. Is that your mom? Oh, hi, mama. Who are you? No, they're so cute. You are Amazigh cats, huh? Beautiful. What about you? What's your name? I'm gonna call you Masinisa. Looks cool. Oh, that looks like a bat. It's a freaking bat. No way. Where'd it go? I don't think it's a bat because it's too much light inside. Anyway, I saw something. I don't know what it was, but let's go inside and explore. I'm afraid it was going to be like, wow, this is so tiny. I believe this was like, oh, it's so cool inside. Wow, it's very cool. It's like, you know, it's like a fridge inside almost. Wow, that's so nice. It's so tiny. But I believe this was the kitchen. I believe so. I get that feeling of a kitchen because it's so tiny. I don't know, people could sleep here also, but I'm not sure. Yeah, everything here is old. Everything. Even the ceilings, everything. Everything is old. It's incredible. There's some damage here, but it managed to survive as a whole. The ceiling is not off. It's not destroyed. Okay, let's continue. All right. This place is way bigger. How do I get in? Okay, let's see what's inside here. Oh my God, the ceiling is completely off. See, that's it never survived. It was all destroyed. Yeah, it's sad to see, but at least the walls are intact, and this is history, man. This is history. Don't go to Egypt, come to Tunisia. Don't visit the pyramids, visit Tunisia. Wow. I just want to know how to get in here. There was a big place inside. I know. You see, inside here is a big place. I guess I have to climb in to get in. There and behind it was the tiny place where I was. Kitchen, I guess. Okay, I need to climb in here. I'm gonna do that. Holding with one phone. Okay, it's gonna be okay. Alright, let's try it. Oh shit. Alright. Okay. Wow. You guys, you cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. This is simply mesmerizing. Wow, there's color on the walls. Wait, okay, I'm stuck. Okay, here we go. Oh shit. Oh, wow, wow, incredible. I'm speechless, you guys. This is the most intact building so far. Wow. I mean, there's a small holes here and there, but I guess the walls used to be like covered with blue paintings. Imagine how it was. And the view from here is incredible. You see the mountains there from far away. Imagine like the ceilings were probably black and mixed with blue. Everything here you see is like was colored. And how I know that, here's the evidence. Blue color. And so old. Look at the layers. Wow. I don't know what it is, but I don't know how old the painting is. I'm not sure, but I guess I have to ask the man who knows everything. But it looks pretty old. Imagine back in time, people used to live like this. I mean, they used to live in a place like this. This to me is incredible. Just simply amazing. If I had $1 billion, I would invest in a place like this. Definitely. Definitely. So for you guys who have the money, help. Right. Yeah, this is history. I just want to be here. I feel like I am home. When I am, I don't know how to explain it, but when I'm standing here, I feel I went back home. I feel like this is my home, and I always lived here all my life. This is how I feel right now. I hope one day people can come back to this place and rebuild it and live in it, because it's all ruins and it's sad to see. It's history, but at least they can make it as a museum or something. Anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna try to climb back. Okay. Let's see. Oh God. All right. Oh shit. No, wrong rock. A steady rock is the best rock. Damn. All right. Yeah, jump. Oh gosh. All right. We survived. Okay, let's continue downstairs. Okay, there's no stairs, but so in some places there are stairs, but mostly like rocks here and there, all over the place. Okay, let's continue to explore. This is a dream come true. I forget everything when I come here. All I can think of is my forefathers. Wow, amazing. Amazing. Okay, let's see this building. This building looks interesting. This building looks amazing. So let's see inside. All right. Okay, this is the ceiling is destroyed. Sad again. There's like, I don't know, something, and there's a broken chair. I mean, most of the building is intact, but except that ceiling over there. Look at how high up that is. I believe this was a fireplace. Same there. It's amazing that people used to live here. This twisted government doesn't want to show the truth. It's the government that doesn't want to show the beauty of this village, because they don't want you to know the truth, that the Tunisian people are originally Amazigh, not Arabs. Yeah. Wow. I can't stop saying simply amazing, because it really is simply amazing. Wow. No way. No way. No way. Wow. What? I mean, the camera doesn't make it justice. It does not make it justice. You have to be here to fully understand the beauty of this place. It's amazing. It really is amazing. Wow. Oh. ZRIBA OLYA. All right. We are inside the old mosque. I believe this is older than the other right there. Here's inside the mosque. There's so many questions, but this mosque looks old, very old. Let's see what's in here. Somebody, is there somebody there? Oh, I thought somebody were sleeping. But this is where they keep the carpets, I guess. Anyway, I don't know if I can see what's inside. I couldn't see anything, but I guess when I upload the video I might be able to see something. The cats are still here. دامور توتلا تون مزيغ دامور تنغ ذيك تونس أفولكي. Okay, let's continue our journey. Let's see what's in there. The cats are following me. Hi, kitty cat. I don't have food for you, sorry. So let's see what's inside. I guess this is new, but that one and this one is old. The rest is old. I love Tunisia. Yeah, I love Tunisia too. Anybody who says Hannibal is like a Phoenician is a big mistake. Hannibal was a Phoenicianized, just like Tunisian people today are Arabized. But Hannibal was Amazigh, just like us today are Amazigh. We are just Arabized. Same thing with Hannibal. Everybody say like, oh, it's well known that Hannibal is Phoenician. That's not true. Hannibal was Tunisian. However, he was Phoenicianized. He only spoke the Phoenician language. He spoke the Phoenician language because he was Phoenicianized. But his DNA, his blood is Amazigh. So Hannibal was not Phoenician. He was Amazigh. Amazigh, Berber from Tunisia. Because the Phoenicians are from Lebanon and Hannibal is not from Lebanon. Hannibal is from Tunisia. So anybody who says Hannibal is Phoenician, that's not true. I'm a Tunisian guy and listen to the Tunisian people. Don't listen to the Roman history or what the Greek wrote about us. No, listen to what our forefathers wrote about us and what we are saying about us, not what the outsiders say about us. So if you really want to know who Hannibal Barca is, listen to the Tunisian people. Don't listen to the Roman history, because the Roman and the Greek history talked a lot of bad things about us and they lied a lot about us. So as a Tunisian guy, I'm telling you guys, Hannibal is not Phoenician. He is Amazigh, Berber, native to this country. That's it. There's no like if you're gonna say he is Tunisian, he is Phoenician, well, he was only Phoenician by speech. He spoke the Phoenician language, but he was never Phoenician. You know, just because you speak Chinese doesn't make you Chinese, right? So there you have it. End of story. I don't want to hear any argue about Hannibal ever again. I'm just gonna put all the cards on the table now, and I just did. Anyway, let's continue our journey. Wow. Oh shit, that's a bird. It scared me. No, it wasn't a bat, it's a bird. All right. Hi, little bird. Anyway, it's amazing, incredible. So this one is even bigger than the other, but the other is more beautiful, I guess. But this is way bigger. We have like, I guess this is like what they call the big living room. And then here's the kitchen, I guess, without the ceiling. It's so sad to see. And that's like, I don't know, the front door. And here's a small room. And if we go here, we find a small or a big, sorry, this is a big big room too. So this is a big place. Okay, so that's the biggest room over there where we came from, and this is like also pretty much big, but the other is bigger. And wow, okay, maybe this is bigger. This is bigger. Yes. Okay, so I guess this is like the master, like how do you say it, like the big living room where everybody sits and everybody enjoy themselves. There's a window ish something, and okay, this is the front door. Now it looks obvious. This is the front door, as you can see. You go inside there, that's the house. So 2 big living rooms, 1 small bedroom and a kitchen. Let's continue. Okay, spooky. Imagine this place at night. No electricity, nothing. It must be terrifying to be here. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Again, a family house. This is the garden, like where people play, children can play. And this is the kitchen, definitely the kitchen. Oh, it's so cool inside. Cool. It's very cool. So this is definitely the kitchen. Definitely. And here's like people, like children playing in the garden. This is like a small living room. Oh, I gotta watch your head. I just bumped my head. Okay, we're going up to the mosque. There's a mosque inside there, downstairs, and we're going up. You can also pray here. The roof is lower, of course. We're going to the top. There's more stairs. Okay, watch your head when you go up. It's a little bit low. Wow. Here you make adhan, call of prayer. You stand here and you call people to the prayer. And the whole town hear it from here, from this place. When they say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, everybody on the town can hear it, because this is okay. I believe this is the highest, well, not the highest point, but it's one of the highest points, and it's located in a direction where the sound bounces from mountain to mountain, and when sound bounces, everybody can hear it from all over the place. The wind is picking up. Okay, we're gonna try to go up there. Okay, we made it to the top of the mosque. As you can see, we made it. And this top of the mosque deserves one thing and one thing alone. And that is, my ladies and gentlemen, the Amazigh flag waving freely on the top of the mosque. Now I'm getting tired, you guys, but that's what it's all about. Oops. And to say, wow, this is what I really came for, to explore. It's okay, I get tired, but that's what it's all about, to get tired and explore and say, wow, it was worth it. This is what it's all about. This is really what it's all about, really. Simply amazing. Wow. I can't believe I'm here. Amazing. I don't know how many times I said amazing so far on this video, but I don't count. I didn't count. I'm tired. It's getting windy. Let's go back. I don't know, the restaurant, it says open but it's closed. I guess there's not so much people here. Who knows this place? That's why it says open and then it's closed, because there's no people here. I'm the only one here. This place should be like packed with tourists, you know, exploring, enjoying. You know, it's very sad to see. This is a historical place. I recommend anybody who's watching this video to come to ZRIBA OLYA and at least come and visit this place, and you will see the history of Tunisia. You will see the real soul of Tunisia. Don't go to Tunis. Don't go there. Don't downtown and all that kind of stuff. No, don't go to the beach. Don't go. This is better, way better than the beach. There's like so much to see here. Like, oh my God. Come here. Come. If you want to go to the beach, that's fine. That's fine, but come here. This place is amazing. See all that? That's olive trees. All those trees are olive trees. It's getting up. The wind is getting up. It's so windy.